Welcome home, friend! This charming home just hit the market in Haltom City. This one-story home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 1,300 square feet of living space. This wonderful floor plan features a large living room with wood-burning fireplace. The kitchen comes equipped with new stainless steel appliances, brand new kitchen cabinets, counters, and backsplash. This home also boasts updated bathrooms and spacious bedrooms for your family to start enjoying upon moving in. During the summer, entertain in style by the large back patio or relax near the shade of mature trees. Located near Denton Highway for easy access to shopping and city amenities, this home is in the highly coveted Birdville ISD. This home is zoned for Watuaga Elementary School, Watauga Middle School, and Haltom High School. Call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home brought to you by Ludwin Group.